Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
比
First, let's learn the pronunciation of this Chinese character.
比波以比比铅笔铅笔这是一支铅笔，这是一支铅笔。笔画笔画，你要写好汉字的笔画。你要写好汉字的笔画。毛笔毛笔中国古代用毛笔写字。中国古代用毛笔写字。
Next, let's look at how to write this character. The upper part represents bamboo, and the lower part stands for animal hair, because ancient Chinese writing brushes were made of bamboo and animal hair. In ancient China, people wrote with writing brushes. A writing brush is not just a tool for writing, but also a symbol of one's identity, knowledge, and talent. Therefore, for Chinese people, good handwriting is very important as it reflects a person's cultivation. I also hope everyone will learn Chinese characters earnestly instead of being satisfied with just roughly drawing them. You can make the upper part a bit bigger. And the lower stroke is the key to writing this character well. Time flies. See you next class.